If you've ever needed to send a document, photo, PDF, or any other file through MSN email, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to attach a file in MSN email using Outlook.com step by step. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll make it easy to follow along. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to Outlook.com. Since MSN email now runs through Outlook, this is where you'll manage your inbox and compose new messages. Once the page loads, sign into your account if you're not already logged in. After you're in your inbox, look for the New Mail button and click it. This opens a fresh email window where you can start writing your message. Now, in the email window, you'll see several icons and options along the bottom or top of the Compose box. Look for the Attach icon, which usually looks like a paperclip. Click that Attach icon to begin adding your file. A menu will appear with different attachment options. From there, select Browse this computer. This tells Outlook that you want to upload a file directly from your device. After you click that, your computer's File Explorer will open. Now take a moment to find the file you want to send. It could be a Word document, a PDF, an image, or almost any other supported file type. Once you find it, click the file to highlight it, and then click Open. As soon as you do that, Outlook will begin attaching the file to your email. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the file attached inside your email draft. At that point, your file is ready to go, and you can continue writing your message, add a subject line, and send it when you're ready. So that's how to attach a file in MSN email using Outlook.com. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tech tip like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.